Remind me today when I get home to check the door for Amazon packages.
Okay. I added check the door for Amazon packages for then.
What's up, everybody? We are back in the Cadillac, but we are not doing a Cadillac Chronicle. Not right now. No, we not. I want to tell you guys about a quick tip that allows you to geofence your reminders. And what do I mean by that? So it's location based. It's based on where you're at or where you're going or where you're going to be. And you can tell your phone, for example, watch this.
9:10.
Remind me today when I get home to check the door for Amazon packages.
Okay. I added check the door for Amazon packages for then.
All right. So what is a location-based reminder? So when I get home, it's going to remind me to check the door for Amazon packages. You can say when I leave home, remind me to make sure that I grab, for example, Lynette's blouse. Or you can say when I get to the grocery store, remind me to get milk. And it'll ask you if you don't have
9:11 a.m.
Shut up, phone. If you don't have what grocery store you're going to, it'll ask you what's the grocery store that you want me to remind you once you get there. And you can choose from your nearby suggestions that it gives you. You can do stuff like remind me when I get to the client's house to make sure that he has his cane, or just whatever you want to be reminded of. So remember that whenever you're thinking of a reminder, and always think about the variable of today. Remind me today, remind me tomorrow, remind me next week. If not, it's just going to be a arbitrary reminder in your list with no timestamp on it. So today it's going to remind me to check the door for Amazon packages. Tomorrow it will not. So that's a quick tip. You guys know I'm Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC. Let's change the world. Let's remind ourselves of things that we need to be reminded of, because we're definitely getting older. Let's change the world together.